abu agum ti obi nkɔ no obi ma ye bɛkɔ hɔ nso dwabo so nkwanta ne bonsu nkwanta kwan no so nya kura wo mo aka assembly ne fi wo nti wo mo ankasa akeka wo ho abomu ye bibi ɛwɔ hɔ ɛno ne nsɛm bi ɛna nwumre mede browse Adom kase ye dem live on Facebook Adom 106.3 nyumako bi adaro ma no mbo ye chidom se kase yi yem from road ye wo hia ye chocho soap ɛne ne cream wo de chocho soap no dware a honamani sansani ne be ye free hɔ kokɔ tuntum na wo ya wo de cream no so astra fe wo hu so we de na ni aye fe kama pa ye chocho soap and cream no ɛna make comfort de ama wo antibacterial soap no so hɔ na wo de no so adware kama de ama Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa wo ahemfie no laptops no air conditions no chese bia ya DCC fie offices no ne ade de Franco Trading one mo ni nyina bi they were 539 direct Adom yes any wo ko wanim DBS Industries Limited and so roofing ne concrete papa so ho na obenya no ntin so yi twei wo hia leakage wi ade a wo hia DBS functions bi na ade aguso enyumako ya daro ma no mbo ya chidom se emfa kase ne mro mi amesom enumre mi din afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie said ensam ne nkyeremu etie Atebubu Amanten Divisional Police Commander Chief Superintendent Abanga Caesar nene wadi adesepa na eto enyumaku ahodo wona efri kro ni mu wona wonsam wo bie ni obia so meka won ho na nipa bonfo won ko wontu won so sanyi won free kro ni mu na wo kiremu a de ebema adwuma na yefo no gisi nyina ye ka ye ho ebom wose ko ana nipa bonfo yetu won so sanya bambofo nko asade ana wa adwuma na emom yenso ye wo ye chefa se yenso ebetumi aye bie aban ye ne de MMDCs wo bia ye ne dia uhunu sa sumdue betimi ababro no ne mantemu ya wo Chief Superintendent Abanga de nsemi tudwa na ne kasa mu no wo kiremu se ba bia post 40 sesi akra wo mahan na ne han mu kra ba bi wo mutie na enye sa na bambo mu kra no enkoyie samfa ma wo enti wo mo stress mpanifo no wo ma ewo bie no wo mo behwe na wonsa atumi aka ba bi papa bi ada fi se wo na nipa bi ne nam fie ho ne tesa basa enkoyie enti wo mo stress anka be ya ye mesi eye quarters police quarters papa pa bi mfama won wa Atebubu Amanten Divisional Commander ho ne ntimemu awon owura Banga de nsemi tudwa bra pani kwanchefo da BM Funds and Trading Company Peter Minka Buadu woni na adwuma fo kokko che won mo air conditions ne niema ahodo bi
the CEO of Matata Company Limited. He has been a good friend to the police, Atebubu Police, since I came here. I've been told God will be on his side. He has been visiting us, and I'm sure he has felt the conditions in our office that has touched him to provide this air condition to us, and we'll use it judicially. I'll add that he is not the only businessman here. I also call for others, the chiefs, the businessmen, the financial institutions, to also emulate his thinking and then also come into our aid. Ghana government and the police administration cannot meet all our requirements. As I even speak, in this building, it is a rented quarters. We don't have fortified area. We have supposed to have a play building where we have armory stores to keep our things. We are in a congested building. They are on the construction of our divisional headquarters. So others should also come in to assist us so that we can meet our daily requirements. Anytime people even come to my office, I feel sad. My own office chair, you sit, it will be shaking. It is not the best. Divisional Police Command, at least the office should be a befitted one. We invite chiefs, we invite politicians, MPs, DCs enter to visit us. And I believe even if the president is in here and there's a need, he may even come to our office.
Eti we Atebubu Amanten Divisional Police Commander no Chief Superintendent Abanga Caesar and out so wade na kusamu tudwa no na wade niema no ema obambofo no Penida BM Funds and Trading Company Peter Minka Buadu no so extra personnel no niema wade abewo mo hwe ni ye pa na no bota yenti a won so do bae no wadu hu
mpanyimfo se entaso nko anante na ye kruma for he because kruma for he ane ekoye kuadwuma he enye ne edikan a ye ya de fefesi akire atebu man de edikan yakobo atebu government hospital ya bo atebu secondary school ene de ya do atebu divisional police command ye ne ye mpem miensa ye di dwuma de bi sei ebeboabe ne edikan no ya brebe televisions ne ya ba se ye brebe air conditioner oboboabe be dwumadie mu ama be dwumadie nso akoso 13 ti se hunu ye wi ya na atebu hodo Matata group of companies BM Farms and Trading Company odo aye makro hin ntini ya bipiem ha wi say ye go so ye nuanum police for asene be hawa be hia na ya air conditioner ho say ye ba na yenso ya boboabe nti ye besre say kakra ya nya boboai police e be hweso yi na be di dwumadi a ose na ofata e di aboa tebuman na e bi aka Ghana man.
Anyway, penny a one da BM Funds and Trading Company Peter Minkambuadu nene na yekotie ye ne to anwumreka sei so na ya konsam from na nkroto benkno e won kwanta South Mansim wo timantam ne mu asese de bebi obi agina ye no hwa no waka obi nko obi krom obi mmo obi diem efi sensam so ada eye dejebo ensuo no so na buogum enti wona wa tifi entime manafo anafofo nso ntime to ye nranum ne ade ene enyeja won kra sese ne manom ema womo a ewo kwaye wo ho mfudie ne so nyina kanwura ne mu womo ntime fa mamonte mameton ena adrobafo nso ntime nko bibia ye wonwran nkro no de do so pa na banyan asanyon ya wono wo power ene adehye bi ye wo kro no mu nso ene adom kase edi enkomo ene wo chechire mu se asam no atra dwuni ye papa na wo mensin mu ne de ensuo to kakra bia na saa na ekoba na ase won niema japade dodo no ensuo no de ne ko nti ene ye won wo manfo nso de to adom kase anim sempanifo hwe emu awo
sei yaka ho asema nya ano adu ene sa abaye bridge kuwa bi say bridge kase no asai anti abaye bridge kuwa bi se yen faso na yen kwepan a yebe sisi kase no ewo ma last year nso ya bayira pa kuwa no so afa asai be asa beye tutum eno na ne ye feyi ankasikaya odi ye kuwa yi nanka odi fe kase yi na wa ye no prakuma yen ntebe boa yen anti mesre aban say Shantu Sabia, let's say, you're not your free power. We carry the crown under me. Sorry, Chilingano, you need to have you.
Over Facebook says, yeah, just say. Nyame kra ne yeda na siasa sa brenum pone ni pa binam so kienti asempa emu achemienu se tu bra Facebook behwe nyese bia betimi ya keka na betimi afa ho da bi emu achemienu ebubu blog show de concrete na ye no emu achemienu ene na da Facebook nti eya rawo samti na ne de hye bi na wote se won de nsemi atu dwa no na wono wie ye no timantam no mosofo Joshua Makubu wono so ekomia enensuo ya sese wonya pade nom ne ade wo kyerem se ha dwin ye papa a make sase sie ne ho hia se Department of Roads and Highways wo mo ba ho no se sie na mo wo so wo mutu obi ade bo ade hye wo kro no no onye emwa.
This is a catastrophe. Now, when baby ana aka amount for edu motos fa very dangerous. Say antu wana more. Mejidi say by the next 2 or 3 days, any 1 week, accidents, any death I ever recorded on that stretch will be alarming. Say as a regional security council, directing music and say every year they should close up that part of the road to save human life. Because for human beings, everyone want it there, they want to use it. But the question we ask is that who just have when so or hona amount for go for we do any ediba or hona carry for odomi for get chrome for power for quay for what they call jadwa kura sa go pinto go muso omupa omutu be ton normal no matter no media fi anti ya kusi kwan so there will not be any other alternative.
Otimantamo swafo Ora Joshua Makubu na wote nkano wamananso wa wadiatu Roads and Highway Authority mpenifonanim sasa bridge ready SCA wanmumra na wamumeye madishe Kwanta South na ensuo tutoinum ni adie be hadwene nti nitichiru eye dijabo kwan no ana ensuo no nsamso na woso wameye na akuafo no baye no dodo no a akakwaye no mu a wontimi fama emonten
Kano yanya information in there also Kano. We have to remind the road minister say this was the pledge he made or the promise he made to the people of Nkwanta. Say it is not just about the pledge for him to redeem. Human lives are about to be lost, and there's no single no amount of money that is worth even a single life in Nkwanta. And we are calling on the road minister, and I know he will definitely respond swiftly.
Anyway, ayo timantamo swafo Joshua Makubu nene ena yokotie ya na nyumeno siya kasiye ena ugusutie wa Adom 106.3 Asampa 94.7 Inshira 104.5 yani affiliate stations ahodoɔ a etwe ho ahia wokɔ YouTube nso ayadamu live ewo ho nti yadamu nyina samuguso ene ye dwuma yeto akasiye no eso na drobafo ye wo dwaboso wo Nkwanta na adwaboso Nkwanta de kobunsu bonsu Nkwanta kwan no wo mo ankasa kan wo ho abom a wo mo ye kwan visa assembly na boye mfita duku se wo mfi obia na wo hwɛ sɛ de kwan no ayɛ ne bobre no pa na no den ma akobadie wo sa kwan no so no ye den ma drobafo ne akwantufoɔ ye wo ho ɛno nti ɛna wo mo ankasa ye de wo mo ye ɛna kɔba ne sanso a genti aboɔde mu den ɛna wo mo gye free akwantufoɔ anasa passengerfoɔ ɛhɔ enso atoi ɛne adane afro hwea pachasa na portuos akɛse ɛna just kwan ne die size bia ura so abenya bi wo ho basa nwonwan sa nti wo mo ne Adom kase ɛna adi nkɔma wo mo kyekire mu sɛ de wo ho pa na ebre wo mo akwantufoɔ ne adrobafoɔ wo mo kai wo fa so ba akɔ service obesa nko an wo mo de tikuro no mu Adom kase ne won edi nkɔma yi
kwa we nka se begusu ko ta ma ye o di ka o de obedwi akora ma ya ka de betimi akọ na no ya wada enso to e maka de o dwabo so o be hwe pa se ka kese mpo na taxi kora de ne untimi nkọ ka kese ko ekam ti esra mo kora ntimi ntwa no ti akọ program bi ti esra mo so mo hwe kwan ma ye so mo hwe no mo nya kwan ma ya ko demonstration ka bi antu okay obi awu ha hwe kwa safuduma da afọ ye ti esra mo a so bi so ntimi ni mpanni na o mo nya ma ye na mo a de mo nim ka no mo mra be boan ye o dwabo so Nkwanta na no nyame anum ye mpanifo no wo behwe de kwan na ye pa moaye sesi a no ati ya wada obi yare ye de no beduru ha no ka ne kora wantimi anhye nsuonum nipa ne ekam awa ka na ye de ne ko dwabo so
arawo pa o Facebook pa na sa kwan we amna donku oba wanyima wa kano onam kwanfo so kora nya bete na anam we mu enti we de mpanifo munyema won na wo mo ekeka won ho saa no ana ne mensin mo kra chepani wadwa boso kwabna je asante wono anso tibie no wokọ ho no wokọ akọhwe de wo mo ye je se eye pani na hometia no se munyi sikai ene ya modine munyina mode de mo ye mo nto so na wono so ye ne fam de bia wo betumi se be ya kwan no ebetumi aye akono na akwantufo bia bekọ aba jojo mapemfo anyenyem no ne ade obi abekọ obi nkọ wo obi ka mu ana obi nkọ firi mu e wasa kwan bone no ho yenti DC nso nsem a odi tudwe
bebre kwana ye basa bade ye ne ye kan anti ye to ala mo bebre hope I know maban ye oti asem yi na ye ka asem a oboa me ye no ne koso nyina no the two one mo hwech enche sa ne ma ya ye hu nyina a better of the past but nyina as that some the mama driver for no especially the organizer say the bisa buy na issue eyi kwan no no wan fa ankoye se amanyosem no wan fa ankoye de bia no aboboa doma no say yembra na nyina nka mom na yenye se na be ya yenso ye ka se fa no ensei.
Anyway, mensin mo krachepani ya wono ena ehweso na wote se woni Adom kase edi enkomo Ora kwabna eje asante anwure no sia kase mayento so na yemonwura eye tenabia eno so ye kurokuma bi ewo Tachiman North mansini mu wobunu East Mantamu ehon so ade hie supa sane meboa makuro ye kuro wo motomu sini suku papa bi ani ho esu papa bi ani ho a wo monom ene ye kwan no kwade bobo anyinu ahoden so a no ntije se wura kuro no medin na wona so hwi ni mu ache se ekuro no ekona nti wadie mpanifo masumu amumra na mumeboa wo mu kyerem se esan niema akade bi eboaboa ma ekuro di mu abi ni honti achachefo kra no he wodo obi to abayire pa se wo mo ebeba wa ba besua de obekọ teacherfo kakra bi nkrotu ahodo be se ensia no KG blog wo ho ne chese bibia jensemu wo honsuo papa yi ebi no honsuo nwonan basa ubanu bewi afi yare nkwa na ebecheche wo nti wo mosre assembly no aban panifo ankrankra wo nsem wo bie de obetumi aye bia ne mo bobo so nyina obetumi aye bia no bra na bebo ade hye wo tena bia.
Oh, the same problem na na eden e wo school ho the same so on benum kra no mo defeat chima na eden eba nti teachers no ekwe no bo amaba na e fa sa school sem ne niema bebre a e koso nti ehia aban mo a because KG1 and I say obi okọ KG na okọ kosua pi ade wontimi encapture na sese so no P1 for so no wo kire KG4 de no omota tim ohun nti ama adesua no brebia ye ka achi wo
to so be 3 days a o machine answer ya wa utimi yare nti ama se ye bre so be fa so 5 days in a week ye bre na obi krampo yare na wo se de no hospital a wo freka no kwan nti wo mpeba nti so wanya obi mutu na wo se de na kwan nti wontimi ma de kwan na de problem kase pa wo so mo boye o me bibi fa ho this problem so to money your problem when you are young cran be no many ya teacher for
adehia no na wote se wo modern semi atudwa no ninjira bu no adom kase anya kwan hunu mrahye bedwane de ma adehia wo Tachiman North mama Elizabeth Ofori ajare no wo kire mu obeye na famu die bia sebeya tenabia community no so enema wo mu hi ebeboa mo wonkro na di mu ama mu kromafo so asomadwo wo no obehwe no ayama wo
before yebeto abanama me as MP no miko ekura kete cry wo Tachiman North ase ekuro bi wo ho a obekọ no na edan ba ko penisi ho bichin Tachiman North anyina because so a miko me diary enti de obeka no na matwro ena de metimi no na ma show boss sa de se me weni a metimi ayama ho na me so makoye obatan ti na apomodin asem ho hia me ene se bia wo ho asem enti me ba akonkonti electoral area ha no titiri tinabia o ma me hu se de ha omo pa eye health facility awo kan wa ebi o hokra omo wo kwan so if you say awo be kan no unya ka unya moto unya hwe enti moto ne ombe bre a ombenya bi na eba no waba awie nti omo wo kwan so sa ti senka me ye omadom na menya chip compound bi o ha momo a komani beje ho ena me hye omo boss erade boa na mebenya tumi ne dia me ya momo omo san bisa me nsuo e wa akonkonti mechanized borehole me see no so erade boa na me we ni me ya momo me ka say ma facilitate ma akonkontifo no enya omo mechanized borehole afi me du tenabia.
Anyway, Tachiman North mrahye bedwane Elizabeth Fosu ajare na wote ne nka no efutuo no kokobo ekwa magana fo nyina sa yenye shuban yebesevie yenkra ene ya ho odin mrunkum ho odin kobai woni je ko sika mamu ni wo manum keke mun save bi na nyese ya na mbeye be kakra no aya akokora se tu wojo hu ba bi anye sa sika no enne betumi aboawo na general manager da Victory Presbyterian Church Cooperative Credits Union no ewa tebubu wo manager Ora Douglas Mafo ene de tu adwadifo adwumayefo sukufo obi ya pragiafo carpenterfo bia se ene ya wo hoi yana cross kanu bi fato ho no ma wodache nanu atumi aboa ense ni nyina wo wanum anumode mam nyina yogurt ni pepe na wo to nkosu eche na wo kosu anu ta obedi ni nyina obewi ose na manyeska nanu no ode afutuo mu obi bia se ebraso se wo se die yenya bia no yatibi ede to ho na yatumi aboa yendache credit union no wo mafia finhia mudie na wo mo ye ya wodi nsemi atudwa
na wantimi anye savings a wabrabo eden pa sika ye disie ne ho wama wo ho to sen sika e ba wo nsem ade to niema enti me ka se credit union se wo credit union mu na wunya wutie ye nkyerɛkyerɛ no na wutimi di ye nkyerɛkyerɛ no so a savings na ye ma wa ye na ye wa wa japade enye credit union dia na eno na beboa wo ye se wo sika za sika wo moja sika ye sunsun sika ye nkwa wo gold ni wo savings na ba enti wutimi ya ebeboa
Orama for amano anso hwa ene wasai de to dwachire mu sese wo mo ba be ye niam bia wo de beboa customers a wo de won sika no to ho na credit union no nche wo mo de video tracker bi software app bi bebe monitor wo mo montin so kwaje nkrofo sika no ba no wo mahu ba bi oje afre ne ba bi ode kwa akoto eno so be ma customers nso anya sika krabia no mu gidie wo sika wo de ma wo
ye bet try say ye de be ye adwuma no wo ye deposit a reflect even ye try say mobile bank an nam kra na your system be e de ba no video be be mobile bank an nam bia no go secretary ni ono edi nachi say be ya sika ye je free members ne ho no okoko bibia di adanse say brace na wa ha enti no eno ye one thing a ye dey track mobile bankers na wo no member no baby a wo no e betime ho say brace na ye member we wo ho eno ye one thing a na ebiu ye share ye members na nkura ne say the abrabo no say jama wo nko a enye ye odi ye nhyehyɛ so a ade bi esi wani so say ka na wo to fie na wusi a e wo say wo di no kwa na wadi no kwa frɛ me fama besi sabre ya ye beboa mo wadu obotaye ho.
Anyway, mpenifo a wono ade afutuo no kokobo maye ewo yensika wose yetibi eto ho na yadeboa yendache ora na Dr. Douglas Mafo na yete no enka no mento akase no eso na yemungra yensem foforo mu na Ghana Association for the Study of Liver and Digestive Diseases also they are the to abino any apomodin penifo nyina anim say hepatitis B treatment no kadaya abai fansha apomodin si achiba no mo sabaya wo ma wo bie no so ehu behin ha won mo ekakra ehwehwemu dan adi so mai mu no nipa ohamunchemu nwotwe yare no bi ewo nipadua no emunti we mande di pefe say yare no ewo honti ewo say yani eku na yetu obia fo no obia so da no ho so Bruno East mantam ni mu ene tachimande wo mo na won dia no ewo sra Dr. Felix and J we specialist physician ewo Kolebu Teaching Hospital echiro se yade a ehu na ne sa no nti ewo so bibia so ehwe bo no ho ba wo chechire mu kwan a efa so ba enom ne ade
So regional breakdown na for hepatitis B no Bono East and Antechima one of the regions hepatitis B no edoso mo pa na ingin say ahano ye baby people from the north, people from the south Asian because of the big market no edija ye wo market kakra pa wa ha nti once a nipa share nipa interacting there there's that chance of spread of the hepatitis B virus no there will be a say oye labs no emaye hu even stage awo no insurance na mfa bebrina no say what the wa osika netua and some of the labs no ne bo no wenanim kakra te say viral load mo sa no ne bo no e wenanim enye obia netimi Sabine Sika at the echo yet the slabs no a drone so no insurance name cover and see I just say wow the bottom sika and a drone and a yare when a yare open my drone no ache in fact if you have my drone no kwanina tea a banesana at the financial pressure pa to patients ne so tea I mean in as much as you were in draw yetimide kon yare no musika samono a idea was no so as a country no
Dr. Felix and J na yetene kano ni nyina mu so wode atudwa kire mu aban no hwe ne famu de bi obetumi aya boa na yede beto apomdin si achiba no so no yemfanto so na Ghana fo tichi wona nyarwo no bi woni padua mu no won ho hawo
tikasam no ade a wase no so as a country no ye hwe ho asam ka because bebrina no entimi and afford it, and they can't, buy the medications that was omotoma. And for hepatitis B, ni be brina no nya de drone bit me to asie say a virus na free ho. For hepatitis C, ni de would draw it immediately to asie, but for B no a drone no ebeso no say the bear emma complications be nti be brina no the draw so nya de a mrebo no be say obetimi the drone so na mrebo no e wa hoden kama cancer be ambam so say we obi o here drone say one no drone na eno no betimi eden so be bra bro etimi say mrebo no etimi kra ma cancer ebeto mrebo nim nti yentimi nto ase de but e dry betimi dey prevent all the complications virus betimi dey aba.
Anyway, Dr. Felix and Jana Yateno and Kano na DJs. Wow, my Ghana Muni a Bibra Memon so what the ato one him say one more humodin pa. Wonjumedie ya one ADA afi Ghana DJ Awards no one more pa ho entoma Mercury Republic one more na edi jumedie nanim one Guinness Ghana for na waka won ho aboma 2023 awards no etimi basoa niam ahodo no de one more ebeye certificate one mo benya ne ho hyehye ne niam ahodo a one mo aye no one mo pa oni nyina ho ntoma founder da jumedie no ano one so na host Emma Cruise Control or Hit FM Mercury ono ne Adom kase edi enkomo a wo kire mu November bosume mu wafi mu de ebesie ene hyehye edana kwan so.
We have done 10 years down. Now the future is bright because, as I said, now DJing is moving from informal to formal. So now, just like the accountants, their certification, DJs are about to have their certification as well. So it means that DJs will now understand a lot more than just being behind the machine and manipulating the turntables. They are going to know how to do management. They are going to know how to do public speaking. A lot of DJs play, and if you don't have an MC to speak for them, they can't express themselves. We've changed a lot. When we started 11 years ago, I remember.
Anyway, Mercury, one na founder. We Guinness Ghana so afi de one more ababeso one wasre no echechire mu se abasobodie one botayenti obeta echire no se DJ senso enye DJ nko akakenemom one so ewa asade ne asudie bi e wo so one mo marketing manager Mass Spirit and LTDs amoa usu e de Adom kase e di nkomo efa se ya wo de won ho abebo Ghana DJs Awards hi ho.
Yesha ye dey say eya ye nuanu ba oboye DJs obunya the DJ recognition e waso obunya iti yesha ye dey say yes yesha ye brands ni nyina one of the brands are they supporting DJs all over the world spend off iti dey say for the next 3 years the Ghana DJ Awards ya sign a contract ye be supporting the jubedie ye must go bebre dey deba ade ba ko dey say ye free DJ clinic they say ye be empower DJs no ye free the capability workshop ye dey ye gidi say DJs there was so beyond just standing behind the mixers. It's about more education about brand building. So be able to be a position of here to be able to attract the world. And then the other thing is also about empowering female DJs. Adia Bakwa Guinness Ghana, they say, pride about diversity and inclusion. It's here who they say, was here supporting your man now, almost open some DJs.
Anyway, Oba Amo Usu, marketing manager, Spirit and LTDs, and Alten in Kano, lottery company, Game Park Games, and Swaba Betechi, director of marketing and communications, Emma Game Park Limited, Goodfellow Day of Fair, and so Echeche, the Intia and they DJs Awards, also Abeswasene.
Enjoy the services of DJs. We thought that it would be an important avenue to reach out to that customer base. In the end, we don't see any difference between the entertainment customer base and the lottery customer base. So we thought that it would be an important means to support them. But more importantly, apart from the collaterals and all the benefit that we, both parties can benefit from this, the award schemes are put together to celebrate people who have done well in society. And, as part of our corporate social responsibility, we also thought that it's an important avenue to say thank you to our DJs.
Director of Marketing and Communications, Game Park Limited, Goodfellow Day of Fair, na wote kan menyina no so na nwume kase yemfansi ha. Chocho soap and cream, yedon se papa babia upe bibia ubenya biato. Now the adware now the astra Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa efie dewa 539 direct dewa afa DBS Industries Limited, your roofing, concrete and steel solutions. Yedon se pa na mentimi anka on Facebook no fache me. Da se ne yebekin kan ni nyina hada brema kwan na me de asie na na da mununkum na daro mano gire fidie na chire ma ye je ko nso tie condition mu wa mo ase twum ono se na de ento mu live on Facebook ase da ni nyina ye kwa ma wo titi wo a wo hwe ye tie do comment e by right and so gina na so den o de agudie mu nsam no e ba be hu se yi blues no ye dede nom ni ade a nti omo obeba be chire mu na fe promise wa around onso nyuma e do de beba ne so e ma no nyinsen ni awo feminine hygiene yaba bedi hu komo ye pa infections na waka wode ne emehihye ho nyina ye ne makuma bi a wonye ntia ye bedi sam komo no nyinsen ni awo so 8 pm tikatro obia mamona by 9 na yawie na say obi atumi ada na china yasa hye adwuma senti da se writer